Ma'am, I have a problem.
Rudra.
Ma'am, my this one worksheet is in gray because I don't have color printer.
We have to take. Okay.
It's okay.
It's not okay, but what can we do? It's okay. It's not okay. Okay. Everybody be ready. I'm just presenting my screen and we're going to discuss something. Everybody put the heading in the language part. All of you, we had made two parts of the notebook. First was the literature and the second one was language, right? So we'll take out the language part.
And we have divided it.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
We are
you must
dividing
have
the
done it
worksheet
with
into
5A
two parts.
and you are confused.
No, beta. I said that in the orientation program that you have to divide the notebook into two halves.
And so how we have
Okay,
to make it?
quickly take out the pin page. Let's not waste our time. Quickly take out the
This
pin
is
page of your notebook.
new
What
notebook
does
for
a pin
English
page mean,
literature.
ma'am?
This is English
Ma'am, what does a pin
literature.
page mean? What does a pin page mean?
Migdad, please leave my class now. Everybody has divided the notebook. Smriti, quickly do it now. No, just doing like this will not work. No, do it now.
Ma'am, how to divide it?
See, if this is a notebook, you have a pin page in between. No, pin page. Open that pin page. Right? That's a language part. From that point onwards, you will start writing the language thing in it.
Okay.
All the grammar related, all the writing skills exercise we are going to write in that. Okay. Okay. So first of all, you all will put the heading on top. I'm opening the worksheet page. Wait a minute. All of you put the heading writing skills exercise 1.
And this one
Quickly.
now, this pink page.
Yeah.
Writing skills
Are they
exercise
Look,
1.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
ma'am, look this pink page now.
Written.
This.
Okay, right, half of the book. Right? Then I ask you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Let me
So
see.
And
ma'am,
just
your
plan
voice
to
is
give a
coming.
heading.
Obviously.
Hello Kitty family. Meet Hello Kitty family.
Ma'am, I can't hear your so many background voices.
I have a worksheet.
I know what you
Anna.
Okay. So this is the heading that you need to put. Writing skills activity 1. And below that you need to put another heading. Meet Hello Kitty's family. Okay. Now I had asked you all to prepare a list, if you remember. I had asked you all to prepare a list of nouns, common nouns and adjectives. You remember? The first
Yeah, ma'am.
worksheet. I told you it is the first part of the writing skills exercise activity. I had posted that in the classroom. Now we have to use those words to fill in the blanks of this worksheet. Okay, I had asked you that you will write adjectives related to family, common nouns related to family. So we are going to use all of them here. For example, just look at the screen, all of you. Look at the screen, all of you. Don't write. Don't write. We'll discuss this first, okay?
And can I take print out of this?
No, you have to write in your notebook. What does writing means? Print out. Writing skills means you have to write. So the first one says, Hello Kitty loves her dash family. So what kind of families are there? Give me adjectives for family we can use.
Ma'am, pretty, lovely.
Ma'am, big.
Loving
Lovely.
family,
Ma'am,
big
joint.
family,
Ma'am, joint
big
family.
Large.
What,
Ma'am,
Vedant?
Ma'am, joint
You
family.
can write joint family. Yeah. Where they what?
The kitty's family.
Huh?
Kitty's family.
Can't hear you, Vedi.
Ma'am, she is telling Kitty's family.
Ma'am, the strong family. And the big
Strong
family.
family. Big family, strong, caring, loving, whichever
Cute
adjectives that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
get. Same
Ma'am,
spot.
it's
Like cute family.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Huge
Yes,
family. Yes, Migdad.
Ma'am, do we have to write Hello Kitty loves her the whole sentence or just the answer?
No. You have to write the story. You have to write the whole story. Okay. Now we are discussing it. I have already posted this worksheet in the classroom at 12. Okay. So you can copy it from there and submit it to me latest by 5 p.m. today. What? Latest by 5 p.m. today. So the next sentence is her twin Mimi is also her best dash in the whole world. So what can come here? What is a common noun that can come here? Yes, Migdad.
Sister.
Sister or can be brother, friend, anything.
Ma'am, smart family will also come now.
What, Yash?
Smart family,
Smart. Yeah. In the whole wide dash. In the whole wide, what can you write? Country, world,
Old.
city, anything you can write. Okay. We have to write common nouns here. She looks just like Hello Kitty, except she wears a yellow bow on her right dash. So here you can name any part of the body. For example, on her right wrist, on your right ear, on her right what? Hand, on the right leg, foot, anything you want to write. Okay. Part of the body. Hello Kitty's dash parents are her mama Mary and her papa George. So what can come here? Give me an adjective for parents. Parents are what? Parents can be loving. Parents can be caring. Parents can be lovable. What else?
Caring.
Caring is done.
Cute.
Cute parents. Okay. Mama is a kind and dash. Now there are two dashes. In the first dash you have to use an adjective, and in the second dash you have to use a noun. Okay. So Mama is a kind and smart mother.
Smart.
Is an adjective,
Smart.
and common noun for Mama is mother. Right? Common noun for Mama is mother. She loves to cook and take care of dash. Plural noun you have to use here. So it can be what? She loves to take care of what? Plural noun. Brothers, sisters, siblings, children. Correct?
Family, whole family.
Take care of. You have to use a plural, beta. We want plural. Families, a collective.
I need to write in this.
Rudra, we have to write in the notebook. Papa is always making dash jokes. So what kind of jokes are there? Funny
jokes.
crazy jokes,
Many jokes.
merry jokes,
Crazy jokes.
crazy
Mama. Laughing
And
jokes.
funny jokes. He is a hard-working dash. Use a common noun here. He is a hard-working
Dad.
man.
Businessman.
Dad.
Papa,
Businessman.
businessman, and a or an adjective. You have to use an adjective again here. Okay. Papa. What are we going to use for Papa? Papas are what? Papas are loving. Papas are strict. Papas are funny. Papas are hardworking. Papas are
Papa was
handsome.
Papa was smart.
Amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah, amazing. Papas can't be beautiful. Papas have to be handsome. Girls, mamas are beautiful.
Ma'am, smart.
And smart. Hello Kitty's grandma and grandpa are named Margaret and Anthony. Grandpa loves to paint dash. So what all can we write here? What do we paint?
Trees.
Ball.
Pictures,
Trees. Trees and
Painting.
trees,
Ma'am, on wall. Ma'am, love to play paint on wall.
paint walls,
Painting.
paint fences, loves to paint pictures. Yeah.
Painting.
Cars.
Picture.
Ma'am,
Picture.
cars.
Pictures. Okay. Grandma enjoys making dash for Hello Kitty and Mimi. What all do we
Food.
Okay.
We can pizzas. She loves to make cakes, muffins, pastries, pies, pancakes. We can write anything here, right? And she also likes to embroider dash. Now, what is embroider? What is embroidery and embroider? Who knows?
Ma'am, businessman.
Okay. Embroider means when we use a thread and a needle and we make a design on a cloth. That's called embroidery. So where do we find all this embroidery? We can find it on frocks. We can find it on corners of handkerchiefs and napkins. We can find it on shirts, pockets. We embroider pockets. We can find it on tablecloths, on bed sheets, on pillow covers. So you can write any one of the options there. Hello Kitty's family is a very dash part of her dash. So Hello Kitty's family is a very
her life.
loving part of her life, interesting part of her life, yeah, important part of her life. Anything that you want to write. Understood how this is to be done, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
So you have to copy this in your notebook. I've already sent it in the classroom. You have to copy this in your notebook and underline the words that you're using. Okay? Underline the words that you're using in place. Don't write adjective, noun, part of the body, adjective below the blank. Just fill the blank. Okay? Just fill the blank and write. Got it, all of you?
Okay.
Yeah, and then click a picture and send it to me in the classroom in the assignment section.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. I have a